Stepford Connect. Service to Stepford Central via Benton. Calling at Rocket Parade, Wharton Newton, Upper Staplow, Hampton Hargate, Benton Bridge, Benton, Coxley, Bowden, Angel Pass, St Helens Bridge, Stepford East and Stepford Central. This train is formed of 4 coaches. Platform 2 for the 18.
This station is
Express service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Leighton City, Edgemead, West Wyvern, North Shore and Lynn by the Sea. This train is formed of 11 coaches. First class is located at the front of the train. The train now approaching.
Welcome aboard the Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. We will shortly be arriving at Leighton City. Change here for services to Leighton West. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Platform 1 for the 1846 Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. Calling at Lynn by the Sea only. This train is formed of 5 coaches. First class is located at the rear of the train.
Welcome aboard the Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be Edgemead. Welcome aboard the Stepford Express service to Lynn by the Sea. This train will call at Edgemead, West Wyvern, North Shore and Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be Edgemead. We will shortly be arriving at Edgemead. Change here for services to Rainy Bay. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
The train now approaching platform 1 does not stop here. Please stand back from the platform edge.
Express service to Lynn by the Sea. The next station will be West Wyvern.